Welcome to Blue Table Talks at Freeport Memorial Library, where you can read, discover, and connect. In our summer edition of Blue Table Talks, we will highlight some of our programs that will be offered to you to help you enjoy that summer adventure. I am joined by two wonderful librarians. Mary Robinson will talk to us about the Clotilda program, as well as Cindy Soto, who will talk about the youth services programs. Sit back, relax, and welcome to Blue Table Talks. Zora Neale Hurston's recent release, Barracoon, is such a touching piece about the last known slave ship to arrive to the United States. Our librarian, Mary Robinson, has created a program to highlight not only the novel, but also many aspects in American history surrounding that novel. Please join me in welcoming librarian Mary Robinson through Zoom as she talks about her program that will occur on July 21st at 7 p.m. Hi, Mary.
Hey, Tanisha, how are you?
Great to hear about this exciting program that peeks into American history. I'd like to know what inspired you to create such a program like this?
Well, I have to say that the biggest inspiration was reading Zora Neale Hurston's book, Barracoon's The Last Black Cargo. I really connected with the story, and I was blown away by the story of the Clotilda. So I felt like I needed to share that history with everyone else.
Zora Neale Hurston's Barracoon is a recent release, but it was something that occurred much earlier than its release. How did you discover this book, and what put you on to delving into it further?
Well, I believe the first time I came across it was in one of our trade journals. As you know, we get these journals, we get sort of a preview of the books that are coming out. And as I read the description, I said, wow, this is so interesting that Ms. Hurston would have written this story back in 1927, and yet it wasn't published until 2018. So that alone really drew me to the story. And once the book came out, I was drawn in by the cover, by the introduction, and I said, you know what, this is such a wonderful story that I even went out and purchased the book, which is something I rarely do as a librarian. I like to use the library's resources, but this is one that I added to my personal collection.
That's amazing, Mary. I cannot wait to attend this program because what connects to me is my family background into slavery from not only the United States, but the West Indies. Tell us what a person can expect to learn from attending this program.
Well, I think that I hope that people take away from this program three things. First, we're going to delve in and do sort of a mini primer on slavery in the United States. The next thing we're going to discuss will have to do with the major players of this historical account, the people who commissioned the ship, the people who enslaved these individuals. We're going to get into who these people were and how these people came to be enslaved. And finally, we're going to look at a few of the enslaved persons, what happened to them once they were brought to this land and subsequently freed. So I think there's a lot to learn from this experience in United States history.
Thank you so much, Mary, for this wonderful interview. Once again, Uncovering the Clotilda will occur on July 21st at 7 p.m. It is an online event, so you can access the program through our website at freeportlibrary.info. How about a staycation with free museum passes? With your library card, you have access to beautiful art museums all across Long Island, as well as New York City. All you have to do is go online, choose a date where the passes are available. Once you book your date and the place that you'd like to go to, you can come and pick up your passes in the children's room. Can you guess a music instrument that can release stress and anxiety? I'm waiting. Well, here at the Freeport Memorial Library, we have a special program for you. On Wednesday, July 14th, you can join us for Drumming on the Mile, presented by Spirit Sky. If you can't catch the July program, you could join us in August on August 11th at the same time, 6:30 p.m. For more information, take a look at your newsletter, or you can call or email us or stop by in person for more information to sign up. Next, our Youth Services librarian, Cindy Soto, tells us about what's happening in the Youth Services Department with wonderful activities planned for children, tweens, and teens. Cindy, I heard that there is a special event for those who love to read and also those who love prizes.
Hi, today I'm here to tell you about all the exciting programs we're having at the Freeport Memorial Library. We would love to welcome you back and have you come into the building. It's open to the public. In the children's room, we have a lot of exciting programs coming up this summer. If you love to read and you love prizes, then this is the program for you. All you have to do is read anything. It could be a magazine, a graphic novel, a nonfiction book, it doesn't matter. All you have to do for the children is to log in your minutes on our Read Squared app. Look at our website so that you can see how to log in. You just log in your minutes, and for every 20 minutes that you log in, we will put a raffle ticket in for you to win a big prize at the end of the summer.
Great, Cindy. So what about our teen readers?
For the teens, it's a little different. You can still register online and you log in your books online, and for every book that you read and you log in, we will put a raffle ticket in for you. And you can also win a special prize at the end of the summer. So I really hope that you join our summer reading club this summer. Again, if you like to read and you love prizes, join our program and win some prizes for yourself this summer.
So tell us about more youth activities that help those connect through the library beyond reading.
Another exciting program we're going to be having for you this summer is called Nature Prints. If you like being outside, then come to this program. Also, if you love to paint, we will be outside on the front lawn of the library collecting items from nature, whether it's leaves, flowers, even grass or twigs. Use everything that you collect, and we'll make a painting at the end. We will have paints for you, we'll have paper, you can paint with everything from nature and take your artwork home with you when you are done. This program is taking place on Wednesday, July 7th at 2:30, and it's for children from grades 1 through 6. Please remember to look at our website and register for the program before you come.
So Cindy, what about the Dungeons and Dragons craze? I heard that you all have planned such an exciting program. What about that?
For you tweens and teens, if you like Dungeons and Dragons, why don't you join our Dungeons and Dragons program? It's on Thursday evenings at 6 o'clock. Log in and you can play Dungeons and Dragons if you're into that sort of thing. Our librarian, Elizabeth, will be hosting the program July and in August on Thursday evenings. All you have to do is log in, click on the link on the night of the program, and you can join the program. You don't have to register for it. This program is for students in 5th through 12th grade.
Thank you so much, Cindy. For those who have children, and even the children that are watching, you guys are all welcome to attend. Thanks, Cindy. And now, here are more programs that may interest you. Here we go. Thank you so much for tuning in. For more information, you can go to our website at freeportlibrary.info. Stay connected with us through our social media channels. I'll see you next time at the library.